in this level we will know linear pattern. Okay, just click front plane and click sketch and go to this circle and sketch circle with this origin point and just click select OK. Go to a smart dimension, make it this, make it 100, click enter. Now right click, select OK. Now go to feature and click extrude boss. Now make it this midpoint and make it 20 millimeters and click OK. Now see. Now select this face and click sketch. Now sketch a circle on this line, just circle it and select OK. Go to a smart dimension, make it dimension, make it 10 millimeters, click enter. Now go to feature and click extrude cut. Now see, it is extrude cut. Just we will choose this, click this up to surface, select the surface. This is our in this side face and plane. This is the plane. Just click this surface. Now it will cut up to this surface. Now click OK. Now see, it has been cut. Okay, now see. Now we will go to linear pattern and choose circular pattern. This is the direction. Our direction will be this circle. This circle. Just choose this circle. Choose this circle. In this, click in this direction and choose this circle. Okay. Choose this circle and face, feature and face. Just click feature and face. This is our feature and face. Now see. And choose 360 and make it any, just which you need. Just suppose I click 9, click enter. It will be number of 9. Just click OK. Now see. This is called circular pattern. And we will learn about hole wise. Just click here and click hole wise. And we will choose any. Suppose I will choose this hole and just downward, click here and click ISO and click this down hole, dual hole or just drill size. Just I will choose dual hole and choose I will this D just 20 and just drag it, make it, just choose this throw all and just click this position. Just again click 3D sketch and just choose any point. Just suppose I will choose this point and just go to click OK. Now see, it has been whole. Okay, thank you for watching.